On the days that I don't feel like cooking, this is what I do. 25 minutes honey garlic air fried wings. Saucy, sticky, and better than takeout. Let's get into it. All right, guys, to begin, I have about under 2 pounds of wings, nice and clean, of course. I'm patting it dry to make sure that seasoning really stick on there. No moisture at all. Make sure you pat it dry really good. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Mix it all together just like this. All right, guys, now it's time to season my wings. I'm using my Island Vibe Everything seasoning. This is an all-purpose seasoning that you can use for pretty much anything. Adding a little bit more, so I opened it instead. But like I said, you'll find this on my website, islandvibecooking.com. You don't have to use my all-purpose seasoning. You can use pretty much anything that you have in hand. But if you would like to support me, you can place your order on islandvibecooking.com. Because this is as you can see, a light seasoning. I like some color to the chicken, so I'm adding a little bit of paprika to it for color. That's all you need, just that one seasoning, and you're ready to go. And voila, my chicken is nicely seasoned with just one seasoning. You got all the flavors in there, okay? Perfect. All right, it is time to air fry these wings. You can bake them if you like. I'm using my favorite air fryer, Thai Fur. I like this one for wings, and I have another one that's very large and big that I use for like whole chicken and stuff like that. But this is perfect for wings. If you would like the link, I'll leave it below. It's not sponsored. I just love the air fryer. I really love it. So we're gonna place them on here. Now we're gonna air fry these for about 20 minutes, then flip them over for another 15 minutes. I like them kind of crispy, you know. So perfect. Make sure you spread them out so they're not, you know, together on top of each other. That is perfect. Now I'm going to close it. We're going to air fry it on 380 for about 14 minutes, then we'll flip it over. All right, y'all, now it's time to make the sauce. The flavor, most of the flavor is coming from the sauce, so yeah. Although we already seasoned the chicken really good, so now for the sauce, I am going in with about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, keep in mind. Now we're going in with our minced garlic. I'm going to fry that until fragrant. Give it a nice stir. And as y'all can hear, my chicken is air frying. It's the best time to do it so we don't waste time. Once you start smelling that garlic, that's when you add everything else. I'm going in with some honey. Oh, yes. I'm going in with some soy sauce. Low sodium, okay? Keep that in mind. Don't want to make it too salty. Now, yes, I'm adding a little bit of hoisin sauce. This is optional. You don't have to. But the flavor of hoisin sauce is so good. Game changer. And we're going to let that simmer for a little bit. And it's pretty much done. Ready to go. All right, guys, as y'all can see, or as y'all can hear, that's my cue for my chicken. And my sauce is ready, as you can see. I'm going to set that aside for now. Perfect. Ooh, looking amazing. You can most likely stop here, but I like my chicken crispy. And the other side, look at that. We want the other side to be nice and golden brown. So I'm flipping them over really quickly. All right, now we're going to let it cook for another 14 minutes, okay? Or you can check it when it's about 10 minutes. Let's just the 10 minutes, why not? We'll check to see if it's nice and golden brown, then we can remove it. The wings are done. Come look. Woo! Now that's how I like my wings, okay? golden brown, crispy on the outside. Absolutely, yes ma'am. That's how I like them. Just going to transfer it to a bowl. Delicious, right? I know. Literally 25 minutes. These are ready to go. By the time you drive to go to wherever you're buying this, it'll be ready at home for you. Perfect. Y'all hear this? Yeah. All right, now we're going to pour that beautiful, delicious sauce all over our wings. Oh my. Now we mix. We mix everything together. Ooh. That looks really good. That looks amazing. Oh, wow. Let me add a little bit of parsley on top. Oh, now let's serve it. Absolutely. Y'all, the wings are done. And let me tell you, see this? Perfectly cooked. Look at this. Do you see this? Like, come on. And all you gotta do is eat. Whew, that was delicious, okay? And this only took me about 35 minutes. That is pretty fast, especially if you're hungry. I hope you enjoy this and actually try it out. Do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know which part of the wings that you like. Is it the drum or the wings? Let me know. And also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. That's how I know you really like it. I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Bye, guys.